According to the New World Wealth, the latest African Wealth Report reveals that there are now over 160,000 millionaires in dollars and over 18 billionaires in Africa. Can you beat that? Now, interestingly, from year 2000 till now, the number of millionaires in the continent grew by more than 150% compared to the world growth rate of 73%. I think Africa deserves a round of applause. Now, if you're a keen observer, you would have observed that most of these young millionaires from year 2000 till now have majorly been young stars from all sectors, different sectors. Young stars who have invested in lucrative sectors, and despite the pandemic year, despite the recession that has hit many countries, and especially here in Africa, I do believe that many more millionaires, young millionaires for that matter, will join the club this year. This video is me attempting to show you the roadmap to becoming one of the Africa's millionaire in 2022. Now, a little bit of disclaimer. There is no easy or shortcut to becoming a millionaire. You must tread the path. You must walk the walk. Now, if you're new to this video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click on the like button, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. Now, without further ado, let's go in to the steps, the easy steps to becoming Africa's millionaire. Number 1, start from where you are. It doesn't matter if you are at the bottom of the food chain or if you were given birth to without a nickel or a dime to your name. Just begin to walk from that place. Now, you won't overnight become Dangote. But I assure you, Dangote started from somewhere. So start in your locality. Start looking for problems to solve and begin to copy the morning rituals, the daily rituals of millionaires. And in no time, you will see yourself in that path. Number 2, develop yourself. I've hardly met a millionaire that has zero interest in personal development. Development here could mean educating yourself, like in the formal school environment, or better, going for seminars, going extra miles to learn what you need to become as successful as you wish to be. Now, you need to understand that money comes to those that are of high value. So for you to attract the kind of money you want, then you need to measure up. You need to develop yourself. It comes to public speaking, comes to negotiation, comes to business acumen. How to run business. If you need to go to a business school to acquire that, you need to do that. Number 3, become an apprentice. Now, it's almost in relation with the number 2, developing yourself, because apprentices are in some ways, or majorly, I think that is a traditional way of developing yourself in time past. But it is still very, very relevant in today's world. Now, I come from Nigeria, and there is a language, ethnic group in Nigeria called the Igbos. They are known for being the ones to spearhead this system of development, apprenticeship. And so far, it has been the best and proven successful model to becoming a millionaire. Now, in this system, all you need to do is to go submit yourself. You don't pay to become an apprentice these days, or in some handiwork you pay. But in the Igbo sense, you do not pay. You look for someone that could trust you, a master or a boss that is already on the path where you want to go to. And then you submit yourself and become a boy, an apprentice. Typically, you're expected to spend over 5 to 7 years learning this trade. And upon graduation, he gives you a, a capital, probably he gives you a capital and sets you up for you to go run the business just like you have learned. And then you repeat the same process. And I think it has been just like the vice president of Nigeria said recently, that model has proven to be the most successful model in developing millionaires in a third world country. Number 4, be very good at what you do. It doesn't matter if you know how to do 10,000 things. All that matters is that you've learned how to do one thing in 10,000 ways. You need to stop being jack of all trades. You do this, you do that. No. Focus on a particular thing and go the extra mile in being the best in that field. By so doing, you've installed yourself as an authority in that sector, and you become the go-to guy in that particular sector. Number 5, give back to the society. Now, this sounds off. Very few mention giving back to the society. But it seems like it happens to be a law in this side of the universe. There is something giving back does. It opens doors for you and more. It's just a typical thing. Billionaires do it. I've done a separate video making a case for charity. And in that video, that I explained that over 2,500 billionaires in this world all give back heavily to charity. And it's not a coincidence that they do that. Number 6, don't be greedy. Now, why do I say so? You need to understand that in any investment you would make in your pursuit to becoming a millionaire, you must understand what it takes to be patient. Real millionaires do not jump on any business opportunity that promises 1,000% return in a day. No. Give yourself time. Understand what is possible. Understand what is possible. By avoiding to be greedy, you learn to manage your risks, to minimize your risk. The typical Japanese millionaire would not invest in your idea or your business if you promise to have unimaginable return within a short period of time. They like to give time because they understand the process. They give time because if any business that brings so much return within such a short period is either illegal or it will not stand the test of time. Time yourself. When you invest, it's just like planting seeds. Give it time to grow. And in no time, before you know, it will grow with minimal risk. But you see, that is a problem with Ponzi schemes. A lot of people put in a lot of money expecting funny returns. And guess what? They lose their principal, and the profits that led them into such hasty decisions doesn't come. So there you have it. The 6 steps that will guide you on the roadmap to becoming Africa's billionaire. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. And if you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.